What's going on? Today we're going to be installing the Hydra tuner on the old 7.3. Got the windows tinted. Kept complaining about it, and I finally decided to just do something about it. Kind of lacking the performance that I really wanted out of it. I decided to go ahead and go with the Hydra tuner. There's a few other people I know that have ran them and said it's the best thing you can do to your truck. So hopefully it makes a difference. It does okay towing, but I just want a little more out of it. So hopefully this does it. We're gonna try to get this thing put in. This is everything it comes with in the box. Got a little piece of Scotch-Brite, a brass brush, there's a switcher. This is the chip, cable to program it, and the cable from the chip to the tune switcher. It says right here, truck will not start until programmed. It says, shows you a website to go to for instructions. First thing we're gonna do is get the Pcm out and get it up here. I'll get my laptop fired up, and that way we can plug in and preset the tunes. All right, so the first thing you need to do, you can't really see, you might be able to see. Right down here, there's a 10mm bolt for the Pcm connector. You do that and unplug it, and then you'll remove it from the inside. That's all loose now. I just gotta come inside. I don't know why the Milwaukee light looks weird on camera, but here's the Pcm. And looks like somebody that's worked on it maybe didn't put the bolts back in it, so that's less work for me. I guess that's one way to look at it. So basically you're supposed to push this over and pull out, and that's it. Normally it would have 2 bolts in it. This one was just through the ground strap and not even through the bracket. So here's a computer, basically slide it out of this bracket. It looks like 737s, I think. There's a silicone that's over this whole circuit board. Well, it's on these connectors as well, so I guess most of the times people have problems with not getting all the silicone off, so there's no communication with the chip. So that's what the wire brush is for. Alright, so got that all kind of cleaned up. You can see scuff marks there, but there's no silicone left on the contacts. So now I got this program is up. To show 15 positions. It's a 17 total positions. 17th is no start, and the first one is a factory. There is a high idle tune, a high idle mode, stock, no start, whisper mode, 25 horse towing, 40 horse towing, 65 daily driver, 65 towing, 80 daily driver, 80 performance, 100 performance, 120 performance, and 140 extreme. So I'm just going to set all these real quick, and then we'll get back to installing the chip. Now, let's put this thing in. All right. Basically, I just reversed everything I did, put it all back together. I actually put the bolt in this time, unlike whoever had it last. So I chose to mount it right here for a couple reasons. One, it's easy, it doesn't put tension on the cable. They sell a kit, which if I like it, I'm going to get that bolts it in. I think it's here. I think it has a longer cable as well, maybe. I don't know. So, moment of truth. Let's see if she works. See if I did all right. Alright. You're supposed to be able to change these on the fly. Holy crap. That is crazy different. That is 100% different. Immediate response. That is nuts. All right, I'm pretty excited. Let's go for a drive and see what it does. Totally different. That is nuts. This is on the 60 horse tune. I'll let it warm up a little bit before I play too much. Holy crap. But you barely touch the throttle. It feels like what 3/4 throttle felt like before. It is nuts. I suddenly like the 7.3s a little more. That is for sure. Like it's the same engine. 140 horsepower. Brake it on the highway so you get stuck in the middle of traffic tune. That was, but it was 65 like nothing. It's my seatbelt flopping, not a rod. Just from driving it for 5 minutes, highly recommend Hydra. The response differences is the best part. Okay. We made it back. The engine didn't blow up. Overall, super impressed with the Hydra chip, the Hydra tuner, or whatever you want to call it. I mean, makes me like the truck, and I really wanted to before, but now I actually do. So cannot wait to tow with it and see how it does. Just wanted to show the install of the Hydra and kind of give my opinion on it. Overall, pretty simple. Take your time, just read the instructions. It's really clear. They lay it out really nice. So yeah, definitely recommend it to anybody with a 7.3 or whatever else they make it for. It was totally worth it. 7.3 I thought was just a pile of crap, and even though everybody talked highly of them, turns out everybody that talked highly about them had a tuner on it of some sort. So finally get to drive this truck and use it how I want it after 3 years or 4. I have no idea how long I've owned it. Long time. Alright guys, I'm out of video space. I have a lot more to talk about, which will be in the next video, which I'm going to record tomorrow. So pay attention, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.